Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speed Cuber here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this pattern on a 6x6. I'm really excited to teach you guys this one, and I hope you guys, what the hell, R2. Roll the intro. Okay, so for this easy pattern video, all you need to know is how to do a commutator on all the sides. You have two kinds of commutators. One where you swap two pieces, just two inner pieces, and one commutator which swaps on all 6 sides. I've also shown how to do this in a previous video. Go check it out here. But yeah, let me explain the basics just one more time. So the basic thing we want to do is swap these from the centers. And the way you do it is you move 2 rows up. You replace them with orange, like this. Then you move it back down, like this, and you move the orange back the way it was. This swaps the center pieces on all sides. So that's, basically step 1, and you're already there. The thing you need to do is scramble it just like a 2x2, but let's make this one interesting. And as you can see on this one, you don't have identical colors on all the sides. So the algorithm I'm going to use to have no colors matched on each side is as follows. Well, algorithm. So you do U, R2, and an F. This gives you this pattern. Like and subscribe if you want to see more pattern tutorials like this. I also do cube reviews, easy pattern tutorials, and all stuff puzzle and cube related. If you decide to purchase any of the cubes shown in the video, I'll put a link where you can buy them. You can buy them at Cubes UK. And as you might have known, I have a discount code there, Belgian SC5, which gives you 5% off your order. I also am using a new microphone to record this video, so let me know in the comments below if you like the audio better than the previous videos. Okay, this was it for the video. Belgian Speed Cuber out. Oh, I forgot, wait. If you decide to try this pattern and post it on Instagram, please let me know and I'll surely give you a shout out. Okay, thank you guys for the support. Belgian Speed Cuber out. Yeah, it's for real this time.